right? Sure. Accent. How's that pressure? It already went.
Oh, it was amazing. I actually haven't gotten adjusted in a really long time, and my shoulders feel a lot better. Oh, that hurts so bad.
Tilt your head away.
I'm like scared.